Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Huawei. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. In them, scroll down and click on Biometrics and Password. Now tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Then you can disable or enable Raise to Wave feature by clicking on this little square. And when you're ready, tap on Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. If you want to delete your face data, you need to access exactly the same face recognition settings. So biometrics and password, face recognition, current login method, and in those settings, tap on Delete facial data. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!